still showing up every day. Pagod pero okay, finding my own way. Coffee cold, hair tied high. Running late but still I try. In between the roles I play, I'm still learning every day. Hindi man perfect, it's alright. I'm growing through this life. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Strong and soft in every way. Work, love, life, okay lang, laban lang every day. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Still becoming, that's my way. Not perfect, but I stay showing up every day. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Still becoming.
Welcome to our third episode.
Third na agad.
Yes, lumilevel up na tayo. Miss D.
Ang pangit ang Miss D. Pang matanda.
Miss D. Parang Dina Bonnevie. May yung tawag kay Dina Bonnevie dati. And I would just like to appreciate na kada dumadaan ng ating episode ay gumaganda ang mga pangyayari. Nung unang episode natin, wala tayong TV. Ngayon, may TV na tayo.
Actually.
Diba? No next episode natin, of course, meron na yun, diba? Yung second episode natin.
oo.
Pero ito, may level up. At may director na tayo.
Dalawa
Tawag
yung
natin
camera
siya sa pangalang J.
J.
Direct J. Ayan.
Mr. J.
Yes. At may mga tripod na tayo.
True.
Di ba? Nakakatuwa lang.
Dalawa na
Level
yung
up.
camera natin.
At dalawa na yung camera natin. Kasi
Pero yung
may
bank
mga-
account namin, ganun pa rin.
ganun pa rin.
Huwag nyo nang anuhin. Kaya tatanong dyan.
Anyway, on our third episode,
It's a
kasabay...
special episode,
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
It's our Mother's Day episode.
Yes, Mother's Day special.
Because at the end of the day, Trentahing Ina series pa din naman. So,
Yes.
it's our third episode for the series, Trentahing Ina.
At dahil dyan, dahil nanay kami, we will talk about motherhood and, to be specific,
Our pregnancy experience.
yes.
Yes, because...
The pregnancy hood.
Let's start with
Mhm.
your experience upon finding out.
Ako talaga.
Ayo, oo. The first, I'm so
Okay.
interested about this. Kasi
Are
we
you
did
serious? We haven't talked about it.
not
no?
in detail.
Not in detail.
So, what made you take the pregnancy test?
Dahil, parang
Parang
may
sablay.
kakaiba kasi hindi pa siya na dumadalaw. Kinabahan na ako. Medyo naging active ako that time with my jowa.
Mm.
Ayan.
With your partner then.
Then, yes. Yes. Lang. Hindi ko nga alam. Alam mo, bigla akong, I'm always comfortable talking about this. Kapag kasama ko yung mga kaibigan, pero parang bigla akong,
Different when...
oo.
No,
Oo.
just say what you feel like saying or sharing. No pressure.
O sa bagay, kasi
It's a
sabi nga,
safe space.
yes,
What you said.
indeed, a safe space for the trentahing ina
Yes.
at ang mga nabubuntis.
And, well, each pregnancy is different. But
Yes.
somehow, we share a collective experience.
Correct. At sabi nga ni Miss Universe Susmita Sen, no?
Shush, Mintas.
Miss Universe Mexico, no? And Miss Universe
Anong year ito?
1995, I think. 1996. Sabi nga, the true essence of a woman is for her to be able to bear a child. Something like that.
Madami na nagdi-disagree because not everyone wants to be a mom.
Nag-iba
But
na
it
yung
doesn't mean they're not a woman.
yung preference ng mga babae. Dati, ang preference, sa tingin nila, ang purpose nila ay maging isang ina. Pero dahil sa mga nangyayari sa ating mundo, no? Ang pagbubuntis ngayon sa mga Pilipino.
I think the Gen Zs.
Oo, ayaw na nila actually ayaw na lang
Smart.
magka-baby. Kung magkaka-baby sila, parang more than 30 years old na.
Yes.
And now, going back to my experience. Kung makakalimutan talaga yun, nung nagpili ako, sabi ko, grabe, parang kakaiba yung feeling ko na hindi ako pa dinadatnan. Parang 3 days na.
What did you feel? Takot, excitement?
Takot.
Yes.
Takot,
Okay.
because when you're in that age, you're not financially ready.
22.
Oo, wala pa akong work nun Wala pa akong work.
Call them kids. Yung age na yun, 25.
Yeah, wala pa akong work nun. Kasi, actually, naghahanap pa lang ako ng work nun. Ito pa yung mga panahon na inom ako ng inom. Oo, inom ako ng inom. Siguro kaya binigay si Popeye sa akin kasi pakawala ako. Parang,
Parang manahimik ka naman.
oo, binigyan niya ako ng direction.
True.
Binigyan niya ako ng direction. Anyway, balik muna tayo dun sa
Sa
experience na yun. Sabi ko, kailangan natin bumili. Sabi ko dun sa ex-partner ko. Sabi ko, kailangan natin bumili. Sabi, nung una, ayaw pa kasi pupungas-pungas mga kami. Dahil nalasing kami. Like before that. Tapos parang, somehow, medyo kabado ako, but at the same time, confident. Kasi, feeling ko di mabubuo. Kasi lagi naman kaming lasing. Ganun. Pero medyo active nga lang kami. Medyo active. Kasi, parang everyday.
Shout
Every
out sa
hour,
asawa
every
niyo, by the
minute.
way.
Ayan, so sa asawa ko, pass is pass, di ba? Di alam naman niya yung kwento na yun. Very, nakakatuwa na yung asawa ko kasi mapakil siya. Very,
Very mature.
open-minded. Very mature. Anyway, going back, ayun na nga. Eto na, so bumili kami ng 3 PT. Yung PT pala yun, yung sachet ba yun? Kasi
Yes,
parang
yes,
mura lang
yes.
yun
Oo.
that time. Blue Cross ba yun?
Ay.
Hindi. Yung parang meron
Parang sa counter
American
lang
flag.
ng...
Hindi, yung Blue Cross, alam ko ito yung naka-block
Iba yung stick
box.
lang. Yung stick.
Yeah,
Stick
oo.
na wala man ng device.
Oo.
Oh, yung as in gano'n.
Yeah.
Hindi din lalabas. Like as in paper.
That's one. Yun yung isa kong binili. Isa naman, nakasachet din siya. Pero,
Merong parang...
oo, may ganun.
Tudrapan mo.
Oo,
Yes.
tadrapan ko
Ayun
siya.
yung ginagamit.
So, yun, 2 ganun, at saka isang stick. So, lahat yun, merong faint line.
So yung second
May
line is faint.
Lahat siya. May faint na
Yung second line.
Grabe naiyak ako, as in. Naiyak ako, to be honest. Naiyak ako kasi at that time, I was really not ready. I was not ready to have a kid. And I love my partner at that time, pero hindi siya yung dapat na partner ko. Alam kong hindi siya. Kasi, let's talk about it in a different episode.
It's gonna be in my next question.
Ay, itatanong mo na yan? Bakit parang puro ako,
Hindi ako na,
nakafocus
di sasagutin ko pag tinanong sa akin, wala nang tatanong.
sige. Anyway. So, yun na nga. Grabe yung mga natin, ang dami mga sangay-sangay. Anyway, yun na nga. So, grabe sabi, sobrang iyak ko. And actually,
Ano iyak mo?
gano'n. Sabi ko, ayoko to.
Yeah.
May ganun ako. Hindi ako papaka-epocrita. Sabi ko, this is a blessing. It even crossed my mind. Yeah. Pero, thank God for my parents.
Yeah.
Kasi kahit nagalit yung parents ko, fast forward to that moment, sabi niya, pag-uusap tayo, simula ngayon, nakikitaan yung lock na yan, mag-umpisa tayo as a family. Books, as in, naramdaman ko yung, hindi ko pala siya kailangan gawin mag-isa, at hindi ko pala siya kailangan isipin na burden siya.
Yeah.
Of course, I committed a mistake, pero, blessing siya. Fast forward to 14 years. Now I have my Andre. Nasa kabilang room. Kumakain siya ng Uncle John's na napakasarap.
Hi, Uncle John's. Pagkano na yan?
Sarap ng juicy chicken. So yun, very nerve-wracking, pero alam mo, it's a really big responsibility. Nakakatuwa din yung mga Gen Z ngayon. They know better.
They're being smart.
Yes, they are very smart. At hindi na sila
And practical. They're very practical.
At saka marami na rin kasing alam na masyadong, hindi na tabu kasi siya na pag-usapan.
Yes.
At meron ng mga contraceptive and stuff.
Meron naman contraceptive back
Before.
then. It's
Pero,
just,
hindi siya open na, hindi
para siyang,
tabu nga siya before.
oo, na there's a negative connotation for,
Mm.
also for those that are using contraceptive.
And even buying it. Yung condom nga, dati buying it sa...
Just saying the word itself.
Yes. Pag pupunta ka sa convenience store, bibili ka na, sabi nga. Pag, for example, ikaw, you're a 20-year-old, bibili ka ng contraceptives. Di ba? Pag bumili ka ng contraceptives, feeling mo, ginajudge ka na.
Oo. Actually, nung 16 years old ako, I had to, kasi regular yung period ko, so I had to go to the doctor, and then doctor advised that I take birth control pills for
Oo, yes.
hormones. Umawa, ayaw. Sabi, bata-bata pa, bakit magpo-contraceptive pills ka na?
Pero may mga nagsasabi ko.
Akala niya, later on, parang sinabi na, it doesn't really help. Pero yung initial reaction ng mom ko, feeling niya, parang it's related to premarital sex, ganyan. The whole point naman for it was to regulate my hormones, not to really
Totoo.
avoid pregnancy.
Enough of me. And now, let's talk about you. Hindi lang ako yung mom dito,
Our next question.
FYI.
Kasi,
Diretso na doon. Oh, sige.
no, kasi, first of all, it wasn't that. However, I believe I was at the right age. Also, I
Of course.
wanted, like, few years before I got pregnant, I really wanted to have my own child. Parang doon na yung trajectory. But, in between my previous relationship and the new one, I kind of let go of that idea. Na parang sabi ko, it's okay if I don't bear a child kasi nga may PCOS ako, which is very common.
You have PCOS pala.
Yes, I had PCOS. And my priority was to be healthy, to get rid of that. Pero I was single when I was being healthy and all that. Tapos, during the whole process, I started enjoying my alone time, just being myself, just exploring the world. Kasi I wasn't able to do that when I was younger. So, parang sabi ko, sige, huwag mo muna ako mag-this. I don't think it's the right time. And that's when I got pregnant. So,
The right time, boom!
and with minimal effort,
With flying colors.
I got pregnant. And although it was unexpected, it was a welcome surprise. It was a pleasant surprise. But at the same time, may shock factor talaga. I've done a lot of pregnancy tests in the past, pero they always come out negative. So, for me to read
nakita mo yung
two lines
lines.
for
Ano
the
feeling?
first time, I wasn't shocked. Siguro parang 2 minutes ako nakatunganga lang sa toilet. Ganun. Kasi wala pang 30 seconds upon dropping the dalawa na talaga. As in, very, very, very positive.
Oh my God.
As in, very clear 2 lines, sobrang red na red. Without, wala pa talagang 30 seconds. Pag drop ko, lumalabas na yung second.
Ang
Ganon
lakas ni
kabilis.
Osha.
Parang before pa mag-sink in sa akin na ang ibig sabihin ng 2 lines ay pregnant.
Oo.
Nandun na siya. Nandun na siya. And,
Screaming, no screaming.
and the last time I took a pregnancy test was years ago. Baka like almost a decade ago.
Weh?
Ganon.
Ibig sabihin, matagal ka na hindi naman nagtatry or hindi sexually active. If I may ask.
Yes and no. I was just not,
Gusto ko yung yes and no mo palagi.
yes and no, because I'm a Gemini and I'm bipolar. Full disclosure. Anyway, so,
Gemini.
so hindi kasi yes and no, kasi I wasn't really active, but at the same time, hindi ko naman iniisip. It's just, because nga I always have at the back of my mind, may PCOS ako, it's hard for me to get pregnant, blah, 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 blah. So, I didn't bother. Pero just for my own peace of mind, kaya ko lang siya ginagawa. Just to verify na, yung pag-overthink ko is mawalan. Actually, when I was looking at it, natin ko na lang mag 1 line and then get on with my day. Para lang tapos na. Kaya I wasn't really expecting to see 2 lines. That's just,
Ano
binidyuhan ko eh. Kasi I was in the toilet.
Kaya ka ba?
I was working night shift. Diba, remember that time? So, I had a job in Canada. I was in the Philippines. So, Canadian hours. So, I was up late at night. And then, the reason why I took the pregnancy test was because we had Persian food the night before. Remember that? When we ordered, tapos ang daming onion, ang daming, like, spices, yung amoy niya was very, very strong. And, nung night na yun, naamoy ko pa rin. Tapos, iritang-irita ako sa amoy ni Rocky.
Nakakala mo sa kanya pagaling yun?
Oo, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Bumili ko ka, mag-toothbrush ka. Tapos, naaamoy ko pa rin, ba't ganun? As in, naiirita talaga ako.
Oh my God.
Tapos, to the point na nasuka ako.
Serious? Oh, shucks.
As in,
Ano yun?
sumuka ako. And then, she was already sleeping. So, I was working. Tapos, di ako mapakali. Kasi the night before, bumili na ako.
Ba't ka bumili?
Hindi ko rin alam. Basta bumili na ako the night
Di mga
before.
ganyan ka, no? Parang
Oo.
katulad kanina, naramdaman mo lang.
Kasi,
Exciting powers ka.
kasi, yeah, although we weren't trying, the pull-out game is very weak. Or non-existent. Bleep! Bleep na lang. Bleep! Was non-existent.
The pull-out. Gusto ko yun.
The pull-out game was
very
non-existent talaga. It wasn't even weak, non-existent talaga.
Serious? Ay,
Oo.
ganun level kayo?
Ganun siya.
Bakit ka binili?
So, para sabi ko, wait, kasi may calendar method naman. Some people do that, merong save.
Hindi ako naniniwala dun.
Alam ko na sabi ko, okay, it's not a safe, hindi siya safe. I know it's not a safe time to do it.
Yeah.
But it still happened. And then, kaya may hunch ako na it might, if you follow the calendar. Kasi, when I was being healthy, naging regular yung period ko. I stopped drinking pills. Parang 1 year na akong walang pills. Or more when I found out I was pregnant. Anyway, so, yun. Tapos, so I bought that. And then the following day, nung sumuka na ako, doon ako I said, let me check. Tapos, yun na positive. So, I was in shock. Tapos, yung partner ko tulog.
Okay, paano mo pinrate yung news?
Siyempre, nirecord ko muna. Pero wala na yung copy ng video.
Eh, bakit?
Hindi ko alam eh. Yung phone niya kasi gamit ko ng Samsung. So, naka-Google Drive. For some reason, it disappeared. Hindi ko na mahanap.
Pero sige, take us to that moment.
So, parang natutulog siya. Actually, it's kind of an annoying reaction. That's why I have mixed feelings when it comes to my pregnancy journey. Kasi, parang sabi niya, well, di mo lang. Cut na lang natin to.
Baka kasi
Aling po nga,
siya
tama
nun.
pakialam.
Yung kaninang mabait na Dayan. Ito na yung demunyitang
Pero
Dayan.
unfiltered, cut mo na lang.
Gemini.
Hindi, so, kasi yung initial reaction, but may catch naman. Kasi after he said that, sabi niya, huwag ka na mag-alala. We're gonna get through it together. Kaya natin yan.
Sabi niya.
Sinabi naman
Yun naman pala eh.
Oo, sabi, pero ayoko ng initial reaction. Sa,
Ano? Siyempre kagigising niya lang, no?
pasensya na ha, abala kita ha. Kaya,
Ano gusto
sa'yo,
mo?
ha?
Oo, I'm so excited.
Hindi, parang, huwag mo na,
Si Ma'am D.
pero hinag naman niya, sabi niya, huwag ka na mag-alala. Kasi nakita yung mukha ko, yung, hindi ako, naiiyak talaga ako. Kasi naiiyak ko, kasi ayoko pa eh. Kasi I was enjoying it. I was enjoying for the first time in forever since I started
For
working.
the first time.
First time kong ma-enjoy yung yung sarili ko lang yung iniintindi ko.
Ah.
Yun yung first time na yun. So parang na-cut short siya. Parang nagsara ang mundo, nag-pandemic.
OMG.
Ganon. So at the time na, I'm free to, travel, explore the world. No, you're not allowed, sabi ni God. Pandemic muna tayo, girl. Steady ka lang dyan, kung excited. Nag-pandemic. So, 2020, I had time talaga to focus on myself, be healthy. Then 2021, I flew to the Philippines. The first time na pinayagan na may mag-travel international.
Okay.
Nag-travel ako. And then a few months after, I met the father of my child. So, imagine how short. That's what I meant when I said it was cut short.
Pero mukhang masaya ka naman nun, di ba?
Sobrang
Kasi
saya
parang
ko.
kulang na lang ilagay
Para ako
ka.
nakawala
Kulang
sa
na lang
hawla.
ilagay mo siya sa bulsa mo. Ganun
Sira.
kayo lagi, oh.
Ni Rocky. Yeah, oo. It was a really intense. Intense first few months.
Oo, grabe kayo nun. Parang kahit saan kumakit pa. Ay, rated, lagi-lagi may rated PG.
Oo, hindi naman. Kaya nga nakabuo.
Ah, di ba? Ay, tinan mo naman,
Oo,
di ba?
we
Ang
had-
baby mo, kung makikita, insert photo of our sons.
Hindi may tatangging anak ko siya. Dahil talagang
Grabe, grabe. As in,
the
para siyang
resemblance is resembling.
kambal pandesal. Ganun.
Para siyang reincarnate na batang ako. To the point na minsan parang, para ako nananalamin.
No, kamukha mo siya. As in, boy version mo.
So, yun.
Ang nakuha lang ni Rocky ay yung gender. At
Yung
saka yung mga
lips,
ano, yung mga antics.
yung nuances.
Yeah. Mga ganun.
So, feeling ko, just like yourself, yung sabi mo na, naging, ano mo siya, guide or compass. Or, yung ganun din with Ocean. Kasi parang we were drinking too much.
Sobra.
Sobra every day.
Parang
Four
ang sensitive
times
natin
a
masyado. Oo.
Kaya I was surprised.
Kaya talagang siya ang moral compass natin. Gumagawa siya ng paraan para
Talaga,
malayo tayo sa mga sakit at sa mga kapahamakan.
Kasi sobrang nag-relax talaga ako talaga. I chose the easiest job. As in, wala na akong pakialam sa ano. I was 13 eh. So parang, dapat na rin talagang magkaano.
Ito na mama, happy. But now, my next question is, what's the reaction of your family when they learn
Buti naman daw at may nagawa akong mabuti.
Oh,
Sabi ng
nice.
nanay
That's good.
May proud mom. That
Proud moment.
was the only proud moment. Kahit nagka-degree naman ako, sabi niya, buti naman may nagawa kang maganda.
Seryoso, sinabi ni tita.
That was the line. It as funny as it sounds. That was the line.
Natin, no?
Buti naman may nagawa kang maganda. Thanks, Mom. For the acknowledgement. For the pat on the back.
So, let's course through the pregnancy. Yan. Punta tayo dun sa part na yun.
Ikaw naman, what was your... Siyempre, yun na, buntis ka na and all. What was your biggest struggle?
Struggle?
Yes.
Lahat struggle. Lalo na financial. Financially,
Kasi with the
struggling.
check-ups,
Oo.
magasto.
At saka, buti na lang sobrang thankful ako na tinanggap ako sa trabaho ng aking boss. Who happens to be my ninong now. Shout out to my ninong Joel Cruz. And my other ninong, nasa heaven na, ninong po.
Oh, yeah.
Sila nag-interview sa akin that time. Pwede naman hindi nila ako tanggapin, pero tinanggap nila
Ilang
ako.
months pregnant?
Pero hindi nila alam na preggy ako. So, ngayon, nagdadalang isip ko, sasabihin ko ba ito?
Nung
Hindi,
time
pero-
na yun.
Oo, kasi ang job ko nun was training officer. So, ang pinaka-main na trabaho ko ay mag-train. Pero ang titrain ko, mga consultants in different parts of the archipelago.
Archipelago!
Yan, so, merong
Worldwide.
Oo, mayroong Bicol trip, mayroong by land, Laguna. Ito ang first na na training ko sa kanila, sa Daet pa. Kung mga taga-Daet dyan, alam niyo kung paano pumunta doon. Yung mga bitukang manok doon. Alam mo, pagdating ko doon, so pinipigilan ko lang. Pigil na pigil. Sabi ko, okay ka lang ba? Ba't namumutla ka? Hindi okay lang po. Hindi lang po ako sinabi ko. Hindi lang ako sanay sa biyahe. Pero alam ko na, that was my kid.
Oo. Morning sickness. At least tinanggap ka nila at nakapag-work ka. So, na-fix ang financial. Yeah. So, yun lang. Yun lang ang mai-share mo na struggle.
Ang mai-share ko na struggle,
Real talk. What was the hardest part?
yun nga, ang hardest part was, being able to, just the thought of it, na you have to raise a child on your own now. I'm thankful. I'm always thankful for my parents kasi talagang, tinawid talaga nila ang buhay ko kasi I could have a job. Meron akong trabaho, at yung trabaho ko na yun,
can get to pay for the bills. Kaya makatawid. Pero, kulang.
But why
Kulang
did you
siya.
have to do it alone?
And another factor is that, alam mo yung feeling emotionally. Of course, your parents are there. You have a really good support system. Pero, alam mo yung at the end of the day, you would want to have somebody na yung lalaki sa buhay mo na would care for you, sabayin yung mararanasan yun as parents. Of course, sino ba yung hindi may gusto at that time. Kasi at that time, ganun eh. Ang pamantayan ng isang babae dati ay maging asawa at maging
Correct.
ina, no? So ganun ko siya tinitignan. Of course ngayon, I'm sure hindi na katulad ganun sabi mo kanina. But yun nga, going back doon, yung ganung feeling no na marami akong gustong gawin pero hindi ko siya magawa because I'm not financially able.
Yeah.
Yun. Imaginein mo, kaya lagi akong bumabalik doon sa hindi ako financially able because ang laging neto na lang ng sahod ko 700 pesos. Minsan kinakapos pa.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya ako nag-host on the side. May hosting gig ako. Thankful na rin ako sa mga kumukuha sa akin at that time. Kasi,
magaling kang
oo.
host eh.
Kaya nakaka-racket-racket tayo on the side. Kaya ang laking tulong. Another na masayang experience ay magbili ng damit
True.
ng bata.
Totoo yan.
Kahit walang-wala na ako, punta pa ako sa palengke para bumili ng... Sa palengke lang yung kaya namin dati.
Uy, okay din na yun dito.
Pasig palengke.
Kasi I was in Canada, so wala akong access masyado dun sa mga mga mura lang na mga everyday clothes. Wala masyadong ganun. Mahal kahit yung everyday clothes sa mga bata, mahal. But I was very,
Lalo
very
sa lalaki.
lucky. I was so lucky to have friends na may mga anak na boys ahead of me. Sobrang daming binigay. Hi, Pia. I know you're there. If you're watching, thank you for lending or giving Ocean a lot of clothes. Sobrang dami. Ilang box and boxes. Yes. As in, sobrang daming damit na I didn't even have to buy him clothes hanggang sa 12 years old. 12 months. Hanggang sa naging 1 siya. Sobrang dami.
Swerte mo.
Sobrang
Baka may
swerte.
hand-me-down pa siya ngayon.
Feeling ko din. Kasi 2 boys siya eh. 2 boys yung anak niya. And then, nagkaanak siya ulit. Girl naman na. So,
cute.
Yes. Yeah,
Good to have.
Sobrang dami. As in, grabe.
It's good to have friends na katulad nila. No?
And doon kasi talagang we paid forward. So, when you move there, syempre, alam nilang immigrant ka, wala ka masyadong winter clothes and stuff. Bibigay mo. So, we did the same din. So, parang we paid forward.
Yeah,
so, pag may bagong immigrant that we know of, we give them the clothes to have. Ganyan. Ganun ang culture. So, we're not shy on sharing our hand-me-downs.
Katuwa.
Sobrang dami. Kaya hanggang ngayon, talagang yung iba ginagamit pa rin yung Ocean. Like, for all ages, talagang meron na siyang...
Ang
So,
saya.
iniwan ko na yung mga 12 and up kasi I was expecting na pa after 1 year old yan, nakabalik na kami. Kaya hindi ko na dinala yung mga 12 months pataas na clothes.
Kakatuwa.
Yes.
Okay, so kayo, mga trentahin na, mga trentahin katulad namin, I'm sure malalaki na yung mga anak nyo. At kung wala pa kayong anak,
Kung
baka sa buhay
trentahin
nyo,
sila,
joke lang.
maaga silang
Ha?
Kung 30 ka, tapos...
O yung mga 30s ngayon,
Pwede na mga teenager eh.
usually mga nanay na sila.
True.
Mm-mm.
Or yung mga bagong, mga pregnant moms dyan, what's your advice? Newly pregnant, first time
Advice
moms.
natin?
Oh. Sige.
Ako ang advice ko.
Let's end on that, on that note.
Oh,
Anong
sige.
advice natin?
Ako, ang advice ko, kahit unsolicited advice to para sa inyo. If you feel na pagkakamali ang pagkakaroon ng anak, ngayon nyo lang yan naiisip.
Kayo
kasi,
ang mali. Charot.
Hindi, ngayon nyo lang naiisip na pagkakamali siya kasi nasa stage kayo ng na full of emotions kayo, hormones and
Disbelief.
stuff, disbelief, lalo na doon sa mga walang partner or iniwan ng partner. Alam nyo, yung, kung ano man yung nararamdaman nyo ngayon, lilipas yan. Totoo yun, lilipas yan. At magte-thank you kayo sa akin at so, kung sino man nagsabi sa inyo to keep that baby. Kasi, pag nalampasan nyo yan, ang saya kasi meron kayong napalaking anak because pinili nyong buhayin yung anak nyo.
True.
Yes.
And I think from my side, kasi there's a lot of things na pinagdaanan namin ni Aliana when we were pregnant sa mga
Kulang
anak
nga tong
namin.
podcast na to eh.
Oo, na hindi na namin nabanggit. But we went through a lot of things on our own. Kasi although different situation, but we were not with the partners during the time we were pregnant for the most part.
Yeah.
So having to deal with such a huge milestone in your life alone is difficult. So, but if you look at the brighter side of things, hindi ka mag-isa because you have
Totoo.
that baby in your belly and you always have God talagang pina-strengthen niya ang faith ko during that time. And it's just really difficult to see the light at the end of the tunnel when you're inside the tunnel.
Totoo. And it gives you purpose.
Oo. Pero
Totoo,
pag,
no?
sa totoo lang, lumilipas talaga siya. This too shall pass. Talagang, yung saying na lilipas ang problema, lilipas talaga siya. Next thing you know, nalabas na ang baby at healthy naman. Lahat ng iniisip mong worries, di mo naman pala dapat iniisip. Kasi talagang magiging okay din talaga.
Everything's
ang
going to
lahat.
be okay.
Yes, so kapit lang, mommies, and your life will definitely change for the better.
Totoo.
For the better. I cannot sugarcoat it enough, or that's just really the truth. It's just gonna change for the better.
Yes. At doon naman sa mga masyadong active.
Hinay-hinay mo.
Hinay-hinay naman
Mga
kayo.
tiil, talaga namang
Diba? Hinay-hinay kayo
relax.
kung alam nyong hindi nyo kayang buhayin. Huwag nang tumukchak. Diba?
Kung hindi pa ready, pull out,
Mag-choke
pull
siya.
out. Yeah.
Huwag dapat mahina ang pull out
Yeah.
capabilities.
True. At mga koya, kung may mga nanonood na koya dyan, baka naman.
Baka naman,
Kung
diba?
ano,
Kung puro sarap.
Support. Hindi yung disappear.
Oh my God! Grabe, that was too strong for our Mother's
Wag
Day
naman.
episode.
Parang
OM.
mushroom, biglang nagde-disappear.
Oo. Pero alam mo ngayon, yung mga boys ngayon, ewan ko hindi siguro lahat, pero medyo dumadami na yung medyo responsable.
Oo. I think because, may mga lalaki na before nahihiya na maging responsable kasi hindi siya cool. Pero ngayon kasi iba na yung perspective na kapag if you're a caring partner and if you treat your wife or partner well, you're a good person or a good man.
Totoo.
At kung
ayaw
na
nyo,
yung definition ng lalaki. Dati kasi,
or baka dahil takot din silang
mabash
ma-vlog.
sa social media. Totoo.
Anyway, that's it for our third episode. A very special one. I'm so happy na I was given the chance
To be a mother.
To be a mother. At the same time, to be with you on
Thank
this
you.
episode.
Yes.
Ang saya nitong episode na to. At sana ma-edit namin to at lumabas to na medyo
on time.
On time na Mother's Day. So pressured to sa ating Mr. Editor.
So, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's
Bebe.
Day, Bebe.
And happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng
Happy Mother's Day to you guys.
Yes.
I'm gonna
And happy Mother's Day to my mom if she's ever gonna watch this.
Grabe.
And to
oo
all the
nga.
moms out there, to our
Sorry.
friends, and to mom-to-bes.
Happy Mother's Day, and Margaret Fabian. And
It's an
to
exciting time for everyone. Treat your moms well.
Yes.
Treat them well today.
To our
especially.
friend Jennifer Lemet, magiging mommy na in a few months time. And our dear friend Aika Sicades. Happy Mother's Day to you. Grabe, super mom tong mommy na to. Happy Mother's Day, Carlene.
Basta
To our friends na
generic na
mommies.
lang, huwag ng pangalan. Kasi may magtatampo pa. Ba't di niyo ako bilangan?
Bakit? Ganun Gusto ko, I want to appreciate them being a mom.
Appreciate.
To our lolas,
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day.
And to all the moms that aren't really mamas but was
Yes.
a mom to other kids.
To
Happy
the
Mother's Day.
mommy titas na
Yes.
talagang
correct.
nag-aalaga ng kanilang mga pamangkin.
My sister-in-law is one.
ng
Yes.
pagmamahal ng buong-buo na para
magiting na
magulang.
tita at
Yes.
auntie, ninang, and all.
Sa mga fur moms like me also, happy Mother's Day to you. Sa inyong mga furry babies.
Fur.
Yes. At sa mga tatay din
Na naging ina.
na pinili
In
nila
one.
na yakapin ng pagiging mother. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Yes.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. See you on our next.
Ulitin mo.
Bye guys.
Bye, everyone. See you on the next one.
See you on our next.